I'm Uncle Mark, and I'm going to be changing the battery in my key fob. It's on an F-150 Ford. Ford must have used this before. It's real easy. You can do it. I'll give you step-by-step instructions. It's super, super easy. Let's get to it. The first thing, you'll want to get your key off if it's on any kind of a key ring, which I imagine it is. We'll need to separate it just because to open it up properly, it's going to be a lot easier. So I'm just going to take it off the ring. Easy enough to do. And then we're going to want to separate it. And there's a little spot here you can see. I imagine you could probably put a nickel in there or a quarter and give it a little twist. I'm going to use a little screwdriver and just gently pry, and you'll see it comes apart. Simple enough, huh? We're just about there. So this one's got some kind of, I don't know if it's like a waterproof little piece of rubber there. And just set it back down the way it belongs. Back in its spot. And we'll take a look at this, and you can see it should just pry up very easily and come out. Let's take a look and see what it is. I got a good deal on some batteries in the description below. I'll give you an Amazon link. These are always good to have. It's a CR2032, very popular battery size, and you can probably get like 5 or 10 of them for the price of a pair of them. I'm just going to test it to make sure. This tester also put a link in the description. Whoops, Butterfingers for the camera. And well, must not have it in the right way for this one.
There we go.
And it says it is 3.04 volts. Well, there's a 3-volt battery, but I think new they're about 3.5 volts. So I'm going to test a new one. The problem has been that the range hasn't been very good. So usually they probably won't work by the time you notice, but in this one, the new one's 3.48. So yeah, well, it's a new battery, but it's been sitting for a while. I'm going to try that in there. Now, you'll see which way all the writing faces up on the battery as you put it in for this one, the positive side. And then just click this back together. There's some writing here too that they mention things they don't want you to do. And it also has the battery size on there as well. 2032, do not use or wipe battery terminals. Must be a reason, maybe it's easy to bend them or something. And then just click it back together from the key side first and just click it around. Should coat it back together very nice and easy. And that is that. Now we have a new battery in it, but will it work? That's the question. I'll put a link in the description here on the top right hand side, a card to a video as to what do you do if it still doesn't work. How can you tell? Is it the key fob? Although you could always try your other one. We'll try it right here. It works. Also more videos on the F-150 on the top right corner if you want a playlist. But how would you know if it works or not? If you put a new battery in, what's going on? Is it the vehicle? Is it the fob? No sense in wasting money just buying another fob. This battery tester does a whole bunch of stuff. It doesn't have any batteries in it itself, so it uses the battery power of the working battery. And that's basically it. Hopefully this was helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. You're probably looking at this video because you have an F-150 and you want to reset the oil light. It's saying, oil change time, but you've probably already done one. Maybe you done one a while ago and now this thing's coming on. It's too early. I'll show you how in probably under 30 seconds. It's real easy. This is pretty easy. You can watch the video as many times as you want to get it. So get in the truck. Simple enough. Make sure you have your key with the ignition key. And all we have to do is take the key. I'm not holding it right now, it's dark in here. Stick in the ignition, turn it to on, so 2 clicks. 1, 2, but not to start. And what are we going to... So it says oil change required. So you can always hit the OK button if you want, if you've been doing that on the steering wheel. That's where it is there. That'll take you out of that. Now, go all the way to the left and go down to settings. So move down to settings. And then if you scroll to the right and scroll down to keep going, vehicle, and scroll to the right and scroll down to oil reset, scroll to the right and hold OK. Just keep holding it and it'll say bing, all set to 100%. That's it. Now you can just scroll left out of it. So let's go again. If you have that there, just hit OK all the way to the left with the left button. You get this, go down to, keep going down, settings, scroll right. And I believe it's going to be all the way down, keep going, to vehicle. Well, actually, I think it was already showing that, wasn't it? Over to the right, now you go down to something called oil life. You go to the right again, and then you just press the OK button and hold it till it says it's reset. Pretty simple. And you're good till your next oil change. You just press left turn till you get back to your normal screen there. Left, 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 left. That should be good. So that was pretty good. I'm glad you didn't have to pay for that. If you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? You can subscribe down in the corner if you already haven't. I'll put up in the corner here, yeah, right there, an F-150 playlist with more videos on a truck just like yours if you have one of these. If you haven't checked out the channel before, check it out. There's many different types of vehicles I've worked on that I've owned, and maybe a couple that my friends have owned too. I've got a couple of old car shows I went to, and quite a few old cars that we've just run across that are kind of neat. Anyway, enough of me talking. Thanks for joining us for today. Until next time, Uncle Mark saying bye-bye. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Plus, please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Test the mic again. 1, 2, 3. Video, maybe not. That doesn't make sense. Hi, I'm Uncle.